Hey guys, this is my old high school car. Gonna be making it into a race car. I was gonna fix it up and drive it again. I had a lot of fun times in this car. I beat the shit out of it. It smells like mouse piss in there really bad because mice got in there. Hit a deer right here. Or a deer hit me actually. This was all caved in, but me and my friend knocked it out. It's just a 3.4, nothing fancy. This side, this big old long scratch I tried covering up, I was doing about 120 at least. And the bridge was coming up and it was raining out. I was being stupid, put it that way. I got really close to the bridge and hit a wet spot and it sucked me right in. Shitload of sparks just fucking flew off right here. My friend was sitting there laughing his ass off. I thought it was funny too. Fucking rotors. They're shot. Really rusty. Might have to put different ones on. But I'll start it up and see how it sounds. There's no catalytic converter or anything like that on there, so it'll be pretty loud. There's no seat, so I gotta fucking get in here somehow. Alrighty, here it goes. Oh yeah, she sounds pretty good. Ugh. That fucking sucked. Ooh, look at the smoke. This car's got, I think, about 200,000 miles on it. Just going over 200,000 miles. Then we parked it. That's when I got my truck. It was about a couple years ago. A year ago. But yeah, that's my update for you guys. Hopefully see it on the track soon in Brooklyn, Iowa. It'll be a lot of fun with this car, I guarantee that. Peace out.